Hey folks, do you guys ever have the problem where you've got a bolt, it's stripped out, it's a 1/2 inch, you put the 1/2 inch on there, it don't work, same thing, it just won't work. Well, I've got the solution for you. What we got here is a 32-piece strip bolt extractor socket set. Now, we were given this free for our honest review, and I don't have a lot of these, but when I do, man, they are a pain. When you've got something right here, you can't get your vice grips in there. So you take your 1/2 inch, you put it on there. Now, this attachment comes, or this kit comes with 3/8 drive, quarter drive. So obviously some of these real small ones, they take the small 1/4 inch drive, and it goes from 6mm all the way up to 3/4 with all sizes in between. It's got an extractor, so when you get that stubborn one stuck, you can punch it through. Then you got the 3/8 drive, which I'm going to use with my 1/2 inch. You kind of make sure, yep, that's going to fit. You take your standard drill, make sure you got it on reverse. You put it down on there. It is loose, but I've got to take my 1/2 inch on the opposite side to kind of hold it in place. And then once I do that, it comes right off. This was actually the bolt. So you take this out, and now you're like, well, what I need to do is take and punch and get that out. So you simply take and out comes your stripped bolt. And you can kind of see she was stripped pretty bad. It was not going to come out without some significant effort or cutting the dang thing out. I did it here pretty quickly. Hopefully this helps you guys. Enjoy.